We'll guide you through how to create Replit tutorials, making it easy to share your knowledge and skills with others. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to Replit's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, go to your dashboard and click on the Create Replit button. Choose the programming language you'll be using for your tutorial. After selecting the language, give your project a meaningful name that reflects the content of your tutorial. Now, in the code editor, you can start writing the code you want to teach others. You can utilize comments within the code to explain each section in detail. This helps viewers understand the logic behind each step. Replit also allows you to create markdown files to include additional instructions or explanations alongside your code. Just click on the Add File button, choose Markdown File, and start typing your tutorial content. Adding visual aids or screenshots to your Markdown file can be very helpful. To do this, take a screenshot of your code or any relevant information, then upload it to Replit. Now, you can easily insert the image into your Markdown file using the Markdown syntax for images. Once your tutorial is complete and you are satisfied with how it looks, you need to make it public so others can access it. Go to the sidebar, find the Settings tab, and make sure to toggle the public option. You can also add tags to your project for better discoverability. Finally, share the link to your Replit tutorial with your audience, whether it's through a blog post, a social media platform, or directly with friends. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.